Welcome to KHASI Crash Course 1. In this video, we shall learn about the functional use of KHASI language. Lesson 1. Verb usage. How do you use verbs in KHASI language? For example, in this sentence, I is a subject, eat is a verb, as you know, and rice is an object. In the same way, in KHASI, nga is a subject, means I, bam is a verb, and ja is an object, means rice. So, I eat rice. Today we shall see the present, present continuous, and past tense or simple past. Bam in KHASI and in English it is eat. For example, in present tense, nga bam ja, I eat rice. Nga dang bam ja, I am eating rice. Nga la bam ja, I ate rice. Drink in KHASI is di. Nga di sha, I drink tea. Nga dang di sha, I am drinking tea. Nga la di sha, I drank tea. Walk, it's yad. Yad, nga yad shani, I walk here. Nga dang yad shani, I am walking here. Nga la yad shani, I walked here. Tray is work in English. Nga tray ha Shillong, I work in Shillong. Nga dang tray ha Shillong, I am working in Shillong. Nga la tray ha Shillong, I worked in Shillong. Thia is sleep in English. Nga thia, I sleep. Nga dang thia, I am sleeping. Nga la thia, I slept. So the whole simple trick is, in simple present tense, there's no marker. So you learn the infinitive directly. Nga thia means I sleep. Straight away, I sleep. Nga thia. Present continuous or progressive, dang, we use dang. Nga dang thia, I am sleeping. And simple past tense, la. Nga la thia, slept. I slept. And in the next video, we shall see about a future tense. Thank you for watching.